little scale I came up with. It kind of makes everything sound kind of like a sitar or Arabic. I don't know how you pronounce that. Arabic. It sounds pretty cool, especially when you put some distortion behind it. Lamb of God kind of has some of that stuff in there. It always sounds a little Arabic to me when they're doing their riffs and things, and I always thought it sounded pretty cool. And I learned a little tab, Walk With Me, and held that little beginning intro part, and kind of built off of that and took from that and made this little, I guess, a mini scale or riff. And you just follow within these parameters of the shape, and then it'll always sound kind of, Arabic or like a sitar. So basically, it's really easy. It's only like three strings long, and you can always add on to it. I always do. I always, go up and down and check to see what also will sound good with it. But this is just the base of it, the form of it. We'll start on the E string up top here, and we will start on the, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th fret. 7th fret. So with your index finger, that is your first one. 8th fret, middle finger. 10th fret, pinky finger. And that is your first, first piece, I guess you would say. Then we'll go down to the A string, and with your index finger, go to the 6th fret. Index finger on the 7th fret, or your middle finger, excuse me, and then your next finger, or your pinky, I usually put my pinky here, on the 9th fret. And then, slide down to the 10th fret. It's whatever's more comfortable for you. The general shape, though, is 6, 7, 9, and 10. So then the last one, and this is really easy just for the general shape, I just do the 8th fret and the 9th fret. That's it. You just and then sometimes on the top one I add in the 5th fret. So I guess I'll go over it again and I'll add in that first part. So if you're going to add that in, you have your 5th fret, 7th fret, and then your 8th fret, 10th fret. Then on the next string, the A string, you would have your 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th. And then on the D string, you will have your 8th and your 9th. And overall, that's it. And you just follow that bass, put it anywhere. I also bring it down sometimes and drone the D string. So I would actually start down here on the G string, down on my second form of it, so it would be starting on the 6th fret, and just kind of just kind of mess around with it, put it in places, and that's it. It's that easy. So hope you have fun with that and learn a little something new, just little tips and tricks.